This Thor Jr. misbehaves during his blood test / grounded. Puff. Thor Jr. has been finally appeared after 6 years. Anyways, the director me. Hey, Thor Jr. Yes, Dad. Today you are going to do the blood test. No! Yes! Shut up and let's go! I bet this laboratory. So who's ready? My dad will. My son will. I said the first. Psst. I need to turn your volume. Ooh, 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 ooh. Shut up, sucking up. Psst. Ooh, ooh, Osito. And he got says that. Dad, I got very bad news. What is it? I got scared of the blood test. Oh, let's go home now. Whoa. At home. Oh, you're gonna forever go to your room now. Oh. Stop crying or else I'm going to send you to the basement. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.